Cementone Mix in the Bucket products offer task-specific mortar and cement mixes which are ideal for repairs or small installation projects. Cementone Render Repair Mortar has been specifically developed to provide durable repairs and patching to most building substrates, including bricks, blocks and concrete. It's ideal for repairing weather and impact damage both inside and out, and can be overpainted when fully cured. The product can be mixed by hand using a piece of timber, a trowel, or alternatively using a slow-speed drill and a mixing paddle. Take care not to mix in windy or drafty conditions where the dust might blow, and always wear appropriate hand, eye and face protection when using or mixing the product. The amount of water you add to the mix must be carefully measured to achieve the right consistency. Where repairs are being carried out, feather edging is not recommended. Therefore, the perimeter of the areas to be repaired should be cut back to provide a square edge and to provide a 5mm minimum thickness for the repair material. Wet the area to be filled and try to avoid working in direct sunlight. To fill holes in render, you may wish to work in 2 stages, but the mortar mix has good slump resistance and will often fill up to 25mm even on vertical surfaces. You can finish the repair with a steel float or a wooden float, or even a straight bit of timber. A damp sponge is also useful for the final wipe down. Cementone Rapid Floor Repair sets in 10 minutes and is load bearing in just 20 minutes. It's ideal for patching, bedding, levelling and pointing of floors, drives, manhole frames, posts, curbs, grating, street furniture, sills and beams. It's designed for use wherever the minimum disruption and delay is required, and is ideal for use when frost is expected. The product can be mixed by hand using a piece of timber, a trowel, or alternatively using a slow-speed drill and a mixing paddle. Take care not to mix in windy or drafty conditions which may blow the dust around, and always wear the appropriate hand, eye and face protection. Ensure the surface is sound, clean and free from loose material latents, oil, dirt and grease. Prior to application, surfaces should be thoroughly dampened, ensuring any pooled surface water is removed. For small paving areas, you can apply the mortar mix in one go. Smooth it out with a timber straight edge and finish off with a timber or urethane float for a non-slip surface. If you need a smooth finish to match in, then wipe the mortar over with a steel float or trowel when it's almost set. Cementone Repair and Pointing Kit is ideal for repointing jobs and comes complete with a handy pointing trowel. Make sure the brick joints have been cleaned out and are dust free. All loose mortar should be raked out to at least a depth of 10mm. If you damp the brick joints, then give the brick face time to dry to avoid staining when you apply the mortar. Work carefully to avoid smearing the mix on the brick face. Apply small quantities to fill the brick joints gradually. It's difficult for an unskilled person to achieve a professional looking job on the first attempt, but the best approach is to wait until the material is partially set and then iron it out with a trowel or even a gloved finger. A wipe down with a Hessian sack or a brush off with a soft bristle brush helps blend the pointing in. Cementone General Purpose Mortar is a specifically formulated mix of cement and dry sand designed to mix in the tub. It can be used for a number of household and garden repairs and is also ideal for small DIY bricklaying projects such as path edges and raised flower beds. Cover completed work with polythene or sprinkle with water to prevent it drying out too quickly. Cementone is a brand of Bostik. Bostik has a wealth of experience and information which is available free of charge through our website or via the Technical Services helpline. Visit bostik.co.uk for more information.